Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to reorder groups on Monday.com. Log into your Monday.com account and go to the board where you want to reorder groups. If you're not already in the board view, navigate to it. Locate the group header that you want to move and hover your mouse cursor over it. You should see a vertical ellipses appear on the right side of the group header. Click and hold the vertical ellipses icon, then drag the group to the desired position within the board. As you drag the group, you will see a visual indicator of where it will be placed once you release the mouse button. Release the mouse button to drop the group into its new position. The other groups on the board will adjust accordingly to accommodate the reordered group. If you need to reorder other groups, simply repeat the same process for each group until you are satisfied with the group order. By following these steps, you can easily reorder groups within a board on Monday.com, helping you organize your task and information according to your preferences and workflow. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.